coming in for an AC concern. What I did find is over 3 months of a time period, they are slowly leaking all of their refrigerant out of the system, causing the AC to blow warm. Okay, not cooling, blow hot. It's Texas, it blows hot. So this is going to be an attempt at a 3-minute short video. It is a bit hard, but you can see up in the corner of the hose, about an inch in there, there's a speck of green. It looks like a line. I believe that to be the leak. And with the camera going into the HVAC case from the drain, we can see what looks like some oil and what appears to be dye right down there. It's hard for me to get a black light in there, and it's hard to look from the in cabin because I believe it's at the very bottom of the core. So with that being said, I will be tearing into this thing and removing the whole complete HVAC assembly, which I'll show y'all here in a second. So with that little bit of proof, I will be tearing out this dash and replacing the HVAC assembly because we got extended warranty to approve the HVAC box for the evaporator. Let's get some fun rolling. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6.
He's even a 7. That's what I'm asking him. Oh. You're gonna get it work. Maybe you guys can pay the ride. You don't need that box, you know.
Woo!
Yeah. Maybe I am better. Huh? Why can't you ever take it off on your foot? I can. It's all about being cautious. I need you to help me.
Shoo! Ooh. I recorded so many clips, I might as well make this a freaking long form video. Shoot. All right, this video is too long already. I'm gonna have to do a teardown in a separate video, so stay tuned. Call me crazy or say I'm tooting my own horn, but I'm speaking for not only myself, but a lot of other mechanics or technicians out there just alike. In my several years of doing this, it amazes me how we can go from looking like this to looking like this in just a matter of hours, in a matter of a couple nuts and bolts and screws and stuff, just to replace something like this, which is a whole HVAC housing assembly. And even though we go from looking like this to looking like this, so many screws, so many bolts, so many clips, to then we're able to put it all back together and make it look like ain't nobody even been in here. Putting every single clip back, every single screw back, the wipers, the cowl, everything put back together, glass cleared off, wiped down, pillars wiped down. Hell, I guess you could say we put it back to OEM spec or better than OEM spec. We might come up with a bolt or two short. That's normally because we put it in the wrong spot and then we're able to find it and correct it. Man, can't even tell anybody was in here. Can't even tell this whole thing was taken apart. And it truly just amazes me that we are capable of doing stuff like this as technicians. Oxidation on the drop belt. Do a video on this. Alright, so this seal, they did not approve these. Is there sufficient pressure for them? Well, I got a whole bunch of parts right there. And then I bought this one because it was a special edition one time.